Hi, welcome to Merit. My name is Christina Aronin, and I'm part of the 2012-2013 Merit Cohort. I'm here today to share with you some things that you should know before you begin your experience with Merit. I would begin before the Summer Institute by looking at some YouTube videos and reading some blog posts about how to effectively use things like Google Sites and Google Docs. Merit will show you how to do this in the Summer Institute, but knowing how to do these things before it begins will be super helpful, especially for taking things like notes. You can create a simple Google Doc of all the things you learn in class each time, and if you share those with your Merit cohort, they'll especially enjoy that. A piece of advice I have for you is to just enjoy the experience and to relax. Don't be afraid to talk to people you don't know. Most of the people coming into the program don't know anybody there either, and the sooner that you open up to chat, the sooner you're going to all be operating like an amazing team. It really is inevitable that that's going to happen, so start early and enjoy it. Don't be afraid to tell somebody if you don't understand something. The Merit staff is fabulous about re-explaining something or showing you how to do something in a different way. They're excellent about sharing what they know in a way that didn't make you feel like a techno newbie. Ask questions early and often, because chances are you're going to be asking questions that somebody else in the room will have too. Don't be afraid to share what you know or what you've tried and still wonder about. Merit has so many objectives, but a huge part of it's like an experiment where you're given tools and an environment in which to use those tools, but people can't wait to see what you're going to do with those tools versus what they've done with the same tools. Okay, the next piece of advice I have for you may sound silly to say, but take heed. You need to find some way to keep track of your homework assignments. Keeping track of homework posts can be difficult because as you look through the list of what needs to be done, you might think that the number 7 assignment can be done quicker than the number 2 assignment, and you'll do them that way. It does get difficult to remember which ones you did versus which ones you simply replied to. Create a Google document that lists the assignments by the number, the objective question or assignment statement, the date the assignment is due, a copy of what you posted, and the date that you posted it. It definitely can help you to stay on track and assure you of completing everything on time, which is super important for the program. My final piece of advice for you is to not procrastinate. Stay on top of your assignments and get them done early if possible. Get those PD points done early as well. If you don't, you'll find yourself at the end of the program with little time to catch up and a lot of work to do. I would suggest taking the 2 units of classes in the summer program. It's a lot of work, but only for a few weeks. And just think, you'll get to know some of the personalities of the people that you'll be in the cohort with. It's a lot of fun to meet for the first time and already have something to talk about in common. Another way to do this is to go to more than one conference. Check and see when the GAFE and the Q conferences will be in your area. It's a lot of fun to bump into some of the same people over and over at the conferences. And chances are you'll go to a conference and you'll even bump into a fellow cohort member by surprise. It's a lot of fun. I wish you the best of luck and have fun encouraging and inspiring the future generation of students. We did, and I just really wish you an exciting experience. Good luck.